This video is unique, not only because it's theoretical, but because it's practical. I tried this strategy out and made over $400 in a day using the good old system of ClickBank and Pinterest. All I did was set up this little photo, posted it on Pinterest and gave it a boost. I was able to make over $400 in a day of one particular manifestation product on ClickBank. A very underrated and powerful strategy to get traffic to any affiliate offer that you want to go and promote is exactly what I'm going to be showing you in today's video. I've constructed this easy step-by-step process and tutorial right here on YouTube for you guys to watch that documents my own journey on how I made over $400 a day using a manifestation product on ClickBank, promoting that on Pinterest. On top of this, I'm going to share with you my copy and paste landing page that I used with this to get a very profitable conversion rate. I'm also going to reveal very important targeting tips in this video when setting up your boost on Pinterest, so I really recommend that you watch until that part because that is where the juicy stuff is going to come in. This is also worldwide, as anybody can do this as long as you have a PC or a laptop and an internet connection. Thirdly, I've got a challenge for you guys. If you guys can get this video to 500 likes in the first 24 hours, in tomorrow's video, which I've got another banger prepared, I'm going to be doing a $20 Bitcoin giveaway to one lucky viewer. All you need to do is leave a like on this video, comment down below that you're ready, and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload my latest way that I use to make money online. In tomorrow's video, I will choose one random comment. To give away free $20 worth of Bitcoin. Without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time and let's dive straight into my PC. So let's first go and grab our affiliate product. I won't take long. What you need to do is, in order to go and grab that, is come over to clickbank.com, top right hand side, it says start here. Click on the start here button and you will need to fill out some information in order to sign up to this website. Really easy. It's going to ask you for your address, your password, verification of your email, and you'll be able to get your account. If you already got an account, you can click on log in. I'm going to log in with my existing account and I'll meet you on the dashboard. You'll see on my dashboard, I've reached my target of $200 a day, which I've started the strategy 2 days ago, which I've averaged about $230 a day, which has been over $491 this week so far. I'll reload this over here to show you that this is my live dashboard and not any screenshot or anything like that. Click on Marketplace. On the top right hand menu bar over here, you'll see, if you look carefully, there's a little button that says Marketplace. Click on this and it will take you to the Marketplace and what I like to call a gold mine of products waiting for money to be made online. On the left hand side, you will see a whole bunch of different categories that you can go and browse. Now, what I really like about this website is that you're able to go and build a business out of any of these, and I recommend choose something that you enjoy already or something that you know. Whether you're a fitness trainer and you want to go and start cooking food and wine, diets, health and fitness and weight loss, or if you're into e-business and e-marketing, there's a whole bunch of products for you to go and promote there. If you're into language, perhaps you're a language teacher, you can now start a side hustle teaching people languages by selling affiliate marketing courses on specifically languages all over the world. So there's all sorts of ways that caters for everybody in their fields, in their careers and niches to make money off of their passions and potentially turn that into a career. So specifically, we're going to come over to spirituality, new age and beliefs, as we need to go and find our manifestation product that I've been promoting, which is this one over here right up top. Wealth manifestation offer taking the market by storm. This particular product is going to pay you $47.78 every time you get a sale. You're going to get $7.05 every 30 days in passive cash flow and reoccurring income from this affiliate product. One thing I always look for when choosing affiliate products is, do they have the reoccurring and rebill amount over here? You'll see another product that doesn't have it, such as this one over here, called Mystery School Code, will only pay you a once-off amount of $50 once off. No recurring commissions. You then have to find new people to refer to this product and then you only get paid. Whereas with these products over here with reoccurring billing commissions, one referral on this particular product will get you $21 every single month. That means if you refer someone to this product from a year ago, you can still be making money today every single month. So the particular product we have chosen is wealth manifestation. Click on promote, click on create hop link. copy this long, newly encrypted hop link that has been created for you. You'll see if I copy this and paste this into a new tab, it's going to take me to the sales page of this particular product. But what every person doesn't know is this particular link that has been generated for you now has a specific piece of code that knows to pay your account, your commission, every time someone purchases this particular product. So it's very important that you go and copy this particular link, come over to Notepad, paste it over here, and save this over here because we're going to come back to this later on. With your affiliate link saved, Pinterest is where all the magic happens. You'll see if you come over to Pinterest.com, there are all sorts of different posts, from different quotes to motivation to fitness to car posts. If I scroll down, it looks like there's tips on how to lose weight, 8 books you must read before investing, more quotes, more 55 healing ingredients to ease inflation and boost immunity. Click on one of these pins. Let's take this one over here. 39 quotes to keep you motivated at work. You'll see each and every one of these quotes have some kind of link. This particular post has a link to their main website where, let's see if they're actually monetizing this and making money off this. From what I'm seeing, how they make money from this particular link is just tons of adverts and push ads and Google ads. So they're obviously monetizing their website through Google AdSense. A lot of other people prefer to use affiliate links. Let's take this one over here. If I click on their website, it will take me to their website, which they have more articles with tons of Google ads. And I'm just trying to see if I can actually find an affiliate product for this. This is another example of a Pinterest user that's making money off Google AdSense. Another person over here called Glenda Nature Therapy, who has 5.2k followers. Let's go and have a look at their link and see if they've got an affiliate product. I honestly think these people could be making tons of more money if they rather had affiliate links to affiliate products on their Pinterest posts. So in order for you to go and get started and to create a post like this and to replicate your virality is to come over to Canva.com, which is a simple drag and drop design website where you can add your own Pinterest templates and themes and automatically just generate that for you without even having any skill as a graphic designer. So go and search on the search bar of Canva.com, Pinterest. You'll see over here, go and look for a Pinterest pin. Click on that template and it will take you to a whole bunch of Pinterest pin templates that you can go and click on and just edit the text. I'm going to go and choose this one over here, 5 tips to heal naturally. So I'm going to go and click on this and it's going to open up the designer tab in the Canva editor. It's very easy to go and edit this Pinterest template. Double click on this text, come over to the landing page of your affiliate product, and it's a matter of copy and paste. Copy the title, such as this part over here, paste it over here. Obviously you can see this is a little bit too much text. Very simple, just go and minimize the size of the text until it really fits in this little space. This could be fine. A little bit smaller. And as you can see over here, just like that, activate your internal wealth DNA to attract money to you effortlessly. Over here, there's a button that says explore more. And I'm just going to type at the top over here, manifestation attracts wealth. For example, you can put a small little simple quote or subtitle. You can click on share on the top right hand side, click on download, and your pin is now ready and complete to be posted. A second alternative bonus that I recommend to really boost your views and clicks on your Pinterest link is to come over to TikTok and search up manifestation content. So go and search up manifestation on the search bar of TikTok.com. Click on it and you will see tons of videos over here that you are allowed to go and use and repost on Pinterest to replicate this virality. As you can see, these videos are getting millions of views as long as you credit the original creator on TikTok in the description of your pinned post. So go and click on any one of these. I'm going to choose this one over here. I'm going to go and copy the link of this TikTok, come over to Google and search TikTok download without watermark. It's very important that you download this TikTok and remove the watermark because Pinterest can pick this up as a repost and won't promote your video at all to the algorithm whatsoever. Paste your link, click on download, and this will take a couple of seconds and you'll be able to download it to your PC. So again, click on without watermark. It might pop up 1 or 2 ads. Just click on close and you can see this is now downloading to my PC. Close this video, come back to Pinterest. On the left hand side of the home page on Pinterest.com, click on create pin, and you want to go and upload that same picture or video that you've just downloaded. I'm going to go and choose, for example, that video and go and add your title. Again, you can go and copy the same title from your landing page, come over to Pinterest again, paste this in your title section for your body of your text. Very simple. Go and research on your landing page, and you can go and copy, for example, the first little introduction of the sales page, which is very good sales text for this particular product that you're trying to promote on Pinterest. For your destination link, come back to that notepad where we saved our affiliate link, copy that affiliate link, come over to a website called bit.ly, because we want to go and shorten and make sure that link looks more neat and corrected. So click on create new on the top left hand side of your bit.ly dashboard, click on link, paste your destination URL. For the custom back half, go and type manifestation creates wealth. Click on create. Copy, highlight, and copy your new link. Come back to Pinterest, paste your destination link, and for your tags, you can go and type here manifestation. Click on this drop down. You want to go and click on create board and create a manifestation board. Click on it, click on publish. A board is basically a category of your different videos that go in different niches. Once you've published this, you can either be patient and take your time and post consistently. There are millions of different content ideas for Pinterest. Just use this exact same strategy that I showed you using canva.com and TikTok. And you want to post at least once or twice a day. And after your first 30 days, the algorithm will start rewarding you and really take your page off. Otherwise, you can use a shortcut, come to your Pinterest page over here. You want to go and click on the Pinterest that you've just created. Come over to Google and go and search up Pinterest ads. Go and click on Pinterest ads, which is the first link on Google. Bottom left hand side, click on create campaign. Click on video views. For your campaign name, you can leave the name as default. Click on continue. For your ad group name, you can leave this as default. All of this you can leave as default. For your daily budget, it's up to you what you want to go and spend. Whether you want to spend $5 a day, $10 a day, the more you spend, the more people are going to see your pin. So we can go and, for example, start off with small $5 ads a day. The ad group will be run until $35 is spent. Everything else you can leave as default. Optimization and delivery for the ad you can leave as default. And finally, you can go and click on publish. Over here, under your pin section, go and click on the same pin that you have just uploaded. Choose the title or the ad name, for example, again, the exact same title over here that you've created on your pin, and paste that on your Pinterest ad. For your destination URL, paste your same bit.ly link and click on publish when you're done. Now that your ad is ready, you can go and publish this. So this is the easy way to really boost your pin, as this is more of an investment into your own Pinterest page and brand. However, if you are a patient person, you can take your time and post every single day and build up virality in the algorithm, because remember, that is not difficult at all, because you are replicating virality on TikTok, on Pinterest, without even having to create your own content. What I'm going to do is to help you out even more. I'm going to give you an entire 300 video course that consists of my best 300 videos that I've posted on the last 3 years on YouTube, compiled into one simple course and playlist for you guys on YouTube for free for you to watch. I could honestly take this information and sell it in a $200 a month Discord or private membership, but everything I've taught over the years is completely free on YouTube. So what I recommend is, if you want to plug in this strategy, or how to learn to plug in various different affiliate products like this one into various other traffic strategies that you can do at the same time, is go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.